59 apps including TikTok has been removed from the App Store and Google Play in India. The app was banned on Monday on the order by the Ministry of Information and Technology, which also banned around 59 popular apps from China, stating that they were a threat to India's security and society. TikTok has been invited by the government to offer clarification after it was blocked on Monday. The popular video has been shared saying that the TikTok is in the process of complying with the government in order to and continue to comply with data privacy and security requirements under the Indian law. The TikTok released a statement saying that it did not pass any information about its users to any foreign government, including the Chinese government. As soon as the government announced the ban of 59 mobile and web applications, TikTok's India head Nikhil Gandhi said that the company had been invited to meet with the government stakeholders for responding and to submit the clarification. The banned applications have been removed from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for India. The major applications which has been removed includes the ShareIt, WeChat, MI Video Call, Club Factory and Baidu. Most of the apps have been removed from the Apple's App Store and including the Play Store. Also, the internet service provider have been asked by the government to block access and data to the apps. The banned apps will be given a chance to respond to government's concerns before a committee that includes various ministries. The committee will then recommend whether to remove the ban or continue the ban forever. TikTok India also said that if we are requested to in the future, we would not do so, like sharing the information of the users in India with any foreign government, including the Chinese government. And also they says that it placed highest importance on user privacy and integrity. Also, there have been calls for banning Chinese businesses which export goods worth nearly than 80 billion to India. This has been reported to the news agency. Chinese mobiles have an almost 65% of share in the local smartphone market, and video sharing apps like TikTok and Hello app, which are widely popular among the users. India is said to be the TikTok's biggest international market with about 120 million users. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel for more videos.